This is the Euhomy Dart H1 Bullet Ice Maker, a compact machine built to produce fresh bullet ice in minutes. We'll test its ice-making speed, noise level, and overall performance, so you can decide if it's actually worth buying. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Euhomy Dart H1 Bullet Ice Maker. Ice scoop, ice basket, handle and user manual. Product overview. Ice scoop, ice full sensor, ice basket, top cover with transparent window, air exhaust, water drain cap at bottom front of the unit, maximum water level indicator, handle, display panel, power on-off button, power indicator, ice full indicator, add water indicator. How to use. You're all set to start your unit. Leave a 6-inch space around the machine and use it in temperatures between 50 and 105 degrees Fahrenheit, away from strong light. Add filtered or bottled water to the tank, plug it in, and press the power button to begin making ice. The first batch may be small, but performance improves quickly. Watch the ice bucket fill gradually with perfectly chilled ice. When the bucket is full, the display lights up. Simply open the lid and remove some ice while the machine keeps working. Remember, this ice maker makes ice, not stores it, so transfer the ice to the fridge for long-lasting freshness. Maintenance. To clean the ice maker, unplug the unit and remove the drain plug to empty old water. Mix 1 part nickel safe cleaner with 5 parts water. Pour it into the tank, then plug the unit back in. Hold the on/off button for 5 seconds to start the 30-minute auto clean cycle. When the indicator lights stop blinking, drain the dirty water, rinse twice with clean water, refill the tank, and restart ice making. For deep cleaning, unplug the ice maker and open the lid. Scrub the ice tray and water tank. Then drain any remaining water. Add the cleaning solution. Hold the power button for 5 seconds to start auto clean. Then unplug and let it soak for 12 hours. Drain, rinse twice with clean water, refill, and restart the unit. Smart features? With its low energy consumption of about 1 kilowatt-hour per 6 hours, you'll save more on electricity bills while enjoying refreshing drinks. With its durable handle, the Euhomy Ice Maker is easy to carry, unlike other models that require you to struggle to move around by hugging them. Save not only energy and bills but also your time and effort from monitoring the ice-making process from time to time. Greatly increases the refrigeration efficiency. Plus, improved muted fan, the noise level is reduced. Specifications. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. Want to grab the Euhomy Dart H1 Bullet Ice Maker from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Euhomy Dart H1 Bullet Ice Maker. See you in the next one.